Hey, it's Blind Man Handyman, and I realized that some people didn't understand what I was talking about. So I've got it out here in my hand. It's the door. So this is the lock right here, and you put your key in. So this greenhouse was built, hopefully I got so you can see it. This was built in Israel, so they don't have freezing cold temperatures like we have here. So these here tumblers, that's where all the little springs are. And right now, if it rains, it's going to go inside. But if you keep it this way, water gets in here, and then it goes in and freezes up these. It goes down and freezes up all these. There's all kinds of little springs in here. I'm not sure if you see. So in here, there's little springs. So and I talked to the guy. He's from Israel, and in there they put their locks together like that. I guess water gets in there, but I guess it's not causing an issue. But really, they should be doing it everywhere in the whole world like this. But you see all the little holes there? I'm not sure if I can. Okay, I just blew on it. It seems to be sealed. But I am going to put tape over it anyway. So I got some tuck tape here. Just in case it's like just lead or I don't know, something there where it can go through. I'm taping it. I can't tell the difference. Can't hurt nothing. I'm putting tape over these little holes. And it's tuck tape, it's really thin stuff, so. See if that works. Holy jeepers, sticky stuff. Should be stuck tape instead of tuck tape. It's stuck on my finger. Look at that, I think no, it's still working. And I got tape over the hole, so there we go. I did a good job with it. Now let's put this back in, this bad boy. I was gonna flip the door over, but I'd rather just tape it because the whole purpose of the greenhouse is to start your plants in the winter. You know, when it's gonna be freezing and thawing and freezing and thawing. So it fit in there okay. So we got tape over it. Now we can do it the Canadian way, I guess, or the way where it won't freeze up, and we'll just put it all back together. So you can see that. So it slid in there. We got tape on it. And that tape is really good. So it should last for a while. Looks like there's enough room actually. Maybe I could put another layer on there. It's no big deal. We're probably not even gonna lock it. Like, what do you want to lock a glass house for? Sounds kind of stupid to me. Well, you could lock a glass house, so I guess if you're on the water, you can't throw nothing through the window. Sometimes I don't get it. I mean, it keeps the honest people out, I guess, but as of locking the door. We locked the door, but it's just, I think the security cameras and stuff like that are kind of a really good deterrent. because then they know who it is. But as if, you know, a good thing most people are generally good, I think. So just revisiting that and telling you why I did what I did. Screws. If you have any questions or comments, you can always put something on that. I try to get back to people, and it's me getting back to people, nobody else. So I maintain my own whole website itself. My boss is watching me there. Hey, Abby. Probably should have built this in the spring of the year, but a lot of other stuff going on, and well, it came on sale. That was another reason I bought it. Probably a good time to buy greenhouses in the fall instead of the spring. And well, now it's all set up for next year. You know, I would recommend it if you don't have one and you want a greenhouse, I'd buy it in the fall, because put it up now. You'll be happy with it. When spring comes, you're not going to be saying, "Oh, I'd like to be growing something." I can't find the hole. See what we need that screw for anyway. Oh, it's biting now. Here we go. So the only thing it changes too is the handle. You got to lift up on the handle and stuff. Like I said, we might never lock it, but I wouldn't want it to be, if you decided that you wanted to lock it, maybe you would start blowing open and stuff like that in the wintertime, and maybe that we would feel that we need to lock it. That's another reason for fixing this and having it so it works. Let's see what the keys are now. Keys in it? Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, Abby. See, that's got a big lock piece in there. So if it was blowing and you wanted to lock it, that would be a good reason to lock it. So you have to lift it up like that. Open the door. And always make sure you got both these secured. You want to put all that pressure on one door. So now I have to. Right now it's probably a good temperature. They should be just opening. You coming in, Abby? Come on. Well, I guess not. But you want to come in? Because in here right now it's probably just. I'm gonna check that new one I got up there. I just put in. Yeah, it's open pretty good, but I guess the ceiling's probably that hot. Actually, I'm very surprised at how open it is. Because it's not that hot in here. And that's the other. Okay, we still got some adjustment here. Oh no, the nut just turned on me. Oh nuts. Oh yeah, I'm at the end of my... Okay, that's as close as it can go. So I guess right where I'm probably standing, where my head and everything is, it's probably 22 or something. Down the bottom, it's not that warm. It was really cool earlier. Let's check this one out. So that's at the end of its adjustment too. I like to keep the heat in here. We live in Newfoundland. It can cool down pretty quick, so I want to keep the heat in here as much as I can. I still might fool around with these some more yet. Oh, what's today? Yeah, so that's it there. It's pretty well as low as I can set them. I hope that makes sense to you. The locks and the doors and the vents. Just doing a bit of fine tuning here. Alright, thanks for watching. It's getting hot in here now, I'll tell you.